you have this tendency to basically divide your life in big moments that are turning points, like pivotal moments that are marked by these adventures that you do. These epic projects, to some degree, generate like a before and after situation because they take you right to this extreme situation that is very different from what you live in the day to day, maybe uncomfortable to a degree where you know you're seeking the discomfort to really do this growing, not knowing exactly what you're gonna get, but knowing that it will definitely make a difference in your life moving forward. Am I wrong about that, or maybe am I being too romantic about the way you take decisions, or is it something that your soul seeks at some point in your life to really like go to another stage?
No, no, you're not wrong, and yes, you are. Like, what do I mean? Those are like, I don't do it by design, by the way. This what you said happened when I crossed the Atlantic Ocean, and now this, and many other things. But I think that it's very embedded in me. To actually, yes, literally yesterday, I went to somebody gave me as a present to read my carta astral. I don't know what's called in
Yeah,
English, the
something like that.
astral letter.
Astral letter.
I don't know. Basically, you read when you were born and the planets and so on. And
Yes.
the lady was saying, you're in
Chart. I
constant
think it's chart. Astral
chart.
chart. Yes.
So I did that, and the lady told me like, and I'm skeptical a little bit about these things, but she said a few things. I was like, all right, maybe you're onto something. But the constant search for adventure, and honestly, I think it's happened all my life in different ways. And it continues to happen. Like maybe like the Kung Fu experience or the sailing or things like that are more visible because also they're very epic in a short period of time. But when you and I started build delivering happiness, that was a freaking epic project on its own for 12 years,
Yes.
right? Writing a book, which you know that I just finished and I'm going to publish in 6 months, that's another epic project. Or now that I'm building another company, that's another. But then there is a lot of mini epic projects in my day to day, right? That are also part of my because and what makes it epic for me? What makes it epic is that it really challenge who you are, and it really is a big effort for you, and you go out of your comfort zone and you rethink things. For me, that's what makes it epic. What's not epic is that you're just in automatic copilot, right?
Oh yeah.
What makes it epic is that you're able to challenge and break everything just to try and explore. And then yeah, this one is a big one, and every what 2, 3, 4, 5 years something like this happen. But I made a conscious decision on this trip, and in the last year and a half, based on my experience at Buff, that which by the way, Buff's purpose is inspire the thrill of adventure, which is interesting. Um, Probably that's what drawn me to that company, is that I'm going to consciously choose to do epic projects on a regular basis. Uh, I want to have that thing into my life every day. But yeah, to your point, it happens to be that yeah, every once in a while I kind of like do that, and it helps me. It's like a jump in my life where it's the
To
before
another
and after.
stage.
Well, another stage, yes, in different ways.